In this video, I'm going to tell you how to know if he sees you as the one. Maybe you have realized your partner is the one you love and want to be with forever. It's really exciting until suddenly you're left with the question of whether or not they feel the same. Or maybe you're in a long-term relationship that you aren't completely sure where it will lead. Everything seems fine for now, but when you can't see where it is going, it can be frustrating. But in any case, this video will help you to identify exactly how to know if he sees you as the one. So stay tuned till the end. What you should think. Most women get some instant happy moments when being with a guy. You might feel really happy, and you might think that you two have great chemistry together, but you should be careful in those moments. Most women give in to their feelings and think that he is the one for them. Before we get into how to tell if he sees you as the one, I should tell you one thing first. If he is physically abusive, verbally abusive, has a history of cheating, or is a control freak, then you shouldn't seek a future with him. He can't bring you anything but pain, and don't think that you can change him. No matter how hard we try, we can't change someone from who they are. So it's better to break up with a guy like that, rather than seek a long-term relationship. And with that out of the way, let's get into how to tell if he sees you as the one. There are mainly two ways to know if he sees you as the one, and those are the long run and conflict. Let me explain. The long run. Time will simply reveal a true person, and by time, I don't mean 1 or 2 dates. I mean months and months of time, because he could be lying about anything in the first few dates. But when you are a couple for some time, he begins to reveal his true self. If you always be skeptical and don't let your emotions take over, then you will clearly see if he sees you as the one. You have to be aware of how he acts toward you. How is he treating you? Does he show you love and kindness? Does he care for you when you're sick? Is he listening to you? Or does he yell at you when you're talking? Does he show you affection by doing obvious things like buying you thoughtful gifts? A little side note here. By thoughtful gifts, I don't mean expensive gifts, so don't mix them up. And most importantly, does he believe in you? If he believes that you can achieve your dreams, then that could mean that he sees you as the one, because he would want you to be happy and succeed. If you two are going to be together in your whole life, his happiness will come from your happiness. And if he doesn't believe in you, then that clearly means that he does not see himself with you in the long run. But any man can lose interest in some time. It's natural for men, so you should know how to make him interested again every time he acts distant. And if you want to know how to do that, then make sure to click the first link in the description to download my free swipe file. That will show you the exact way to make him never lose interest, so make sure to check that out. Conflicts. What I mean by conflict is, all couples naturally have some type of conflict within a month or so. Don't think of conflicts as bad things, because conflicts are important. They reveal a lot about him. It reveals his character and how much they like you, how he acts. You can use these to evaluate if he sees you as the one. Does he have the patience to listen to your problems? Does he help you with your problems? And if he does those things, then that would mean he sees you together with him in the future. Or maybe he gets angry and threatens to break up, or he doesn't comfort you and leaves you. These clearly mean that he doesn't care enough about you. And while you take the time to know how he feels about you, if you let him open up to you, then that might significantly increase his love for you and he will start seeing you as the one. So if you intend on letting him emotionally open up, then make sure to watch this video to do it correctly.